What's up, good people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Pauline here. I know I've been missing in action. Where enyewe kupotea is real. So guys, we're in for holidays. December is here. We can't wait to be at home like the whole week. Sleep, no thinking of work, no thinking of anything. It's just a matter of sleeping, waking up, eating, going to the toilet, sleeping, waking up, and that's it. So guys, today I want to do Githeri. I want to prepare Githeri and do some ritual chores here in the house. So I hope I'll be with you. I'm not doing vlogmas this time, but let me hope we'll do this together. So let's go prepare Githeri. I just woke up. Yeah, so guys, I'm having my saucepan here. It was a pressure cooker before. Not before, it was a pressure cooker, but the lid, the top thing for the pressure cooker was removed, so I normally don't use that. I use the saucepan, the sufuria, and I have the lid. Yeah, so I want to prepare Githeri. We're going to put our beans and then our maize. My maize here is soft. I'll put it in the fridge. It's soft, so I'm going to prepare. I'll just mix them, beans and maize. So I'm going to use rosecoco for my Githeri. Rosecoco is a type of beans. I will show you. This is yellow beans. So these yellow beans, I'll just boil them separately. I use yellow beans to eat rice, chapati, and other meals. That's what I use yellow beans for. And then this is my rosecoco that I have. I'll show you in a while. And then I bought also black beans. These are black beans. You all know black beans. I was told these black beans are good for blood, and they're good for energy and for, yeah. So this is our rosecoco. I'm going to prepare it, and yeah, we fix our Githeri. So for those who don't know how rosecoco looks like, this is how rosecoco looks like. It's a kind of chocolate brown, and it has some shade of black. Yeah. So let's prepare this and do our Githeri. So I'm expecting to eat Githeri for lunch. It's late, I know, but I know with time it will be ready. So let's prepare our Githeri. So I'm sorting the dirt out of the beans. Already the beans is clean. It's already removed stones, but I like going through it again so that I can't have stones or spoiled beans in it. I'm done sorting my beans. It was 1 kg of beans. So I'm done sorting. So I want to add my maize. Okay, when I bought the maize, I didn't buy the ones in the maize cup because I have no time to like remove or sort it out from the maize cup. So I bought it when it's like this. So I'm going to mix it directly and then go wash, soak them for like 5 minutes, and then put them in the fire to boil. So let's mix it with the maize. Oh, the maize has those like far things. See, when you do like this, you see those white things. So I'm going to wash that away so that it won't be in my food. Ooh, the maize is cold. This is soft maize, like soft completely. It's not hard. So that's why I put in the fridge so that it doesn't dry up. So you might be asking me what ratio I use for the. You might be wondering what ratio I'm using for my maize and beans. So when I put 1 kg of beans, when I put 1 kg of beans, I take like 2 to 3 maize, straight maize. That's what I put. So I always love when my beans is a lot than maize in the food, and like other people I know, they like when maize is a lot than beans, but for me, my family, we like beans being a lot than maize. Yeah, so let's go wash it out. So guys, let's wash our beans. They're here. I'll wash them well, because the beans, I know they're dusty. The maize, I know they have those white things. So I want to wash them and then soak them for 5 minutes as I sort my mode of cooking, or the method I'm going to use to cook. Yeah, let's wash. The maize is too cold. My fingers are burning. Oh! Okay, so guys, now my beans are ready, my maize is ready. So I want to soak them. I want to put water and soak them for some few minutes, as now we go to what I'll be using to boil my githeri. So guys, I'm going to leave that at that. So let me take you to what I'll be using to prepare my githeri. I'll be using cocoa. Cocoa is a type of stove like. It uses ethanol to cook. It's so fast like gas. So it has two burners. So I'm going to use it to prepare my githeri. So I'm going to add some paraffin or ethanol in it so that I can use. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. This is the container written cocoa. It's a 2 liter fuel container. That's the maximum of it, yeah? And with this you can use it for like 3-4 days. If you're cooking lunch, dinner, and breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you can use it for 4 to 3 days if you know how to economize and not misuse. Yeah, you see, it only gives you 2 liters. 2 liters. Yes, I'm going to add it, and then we cook our githeri. So you open there like that. I hope you've seen. Let me put it well for you to see. So I'm going, it has a lid here. It's highly flammable. So it's like spirit, so it has that. So you open this, and then you pour this inside. This is how it looks inside. So you can't just pour, you have to lock it. So it has direction, it shows you on how to put. So you just put it like, you see it's not pouring, so you have to put it like that, press it down, and then lock it. Lock it like that. So our burner is up. You can see here. You can see the fire, and you can see I've not put to full, to maximum. I've just put it to medium. Yeah, now I've put my githeri to cook. So guys, I want to also place my black beans. So on this other burner, I'm going to put my black beans also to be boiling. So I love doing the cereals simultaneously, or yeah, concurrently together, so that at least I can save time. Okay, I don't know why it needs to be heavy. I think it had dried so much that's why it was giving me stress to come up. So let's go ahead and put our black beans, these ones. So that's how our githeri looks like, and that's our black beans. So let's cover. I know it will cook very fast, and I'll also cover this. Yeah, so that's it for githeri and black beans. Let's wait for them to cook, and then we'll come later and check how far it has gone. You have to keep on checking on your fire for the gas not to go out or the fuel not to go out. So you have to keep on checking until your food is ready. So see you in a few minutes. So guys, I finished cooking my githeri. That's how it turned. So I'm waiting for it to cool, and then I pack it into small bags and put it in the fridge. So I'm waiting for it to cool down because it's hot. I can't put it in the fridge like that. So once it's cold, I'll just dry the water up, pack it into smaller bags and put it in the fridge. So apart from that, I also boiled beans. These are yellow beans. Yeah, I also did the beets. They're ready. They're also ready for packing. Don't worry, the lid fell. It was hot. Yeah, so I just dropped it. So still on the other side, I boiled peas for cooking rice or anything. Yeah, so these are peas. I boiled them. I also boiled the black beans. These are the black beans. They're ready. Don't worry about how the sufuria looks like. They're ready for packing, but they're hot. Yeah. And now after finishing preparing all that, we prepared dinner. So for once, I prepared githeri for dinner. This is how I made it. It's just plain githeri, just with onions, tomatoes, courgette, biringanya, that's eggplant, and that's it. And put a little bit of soup in it. And aside, I did this steamed cabbage with carrots in it. Yeah, because that's what I'm fancying eating. That's what I miss eating for so long. And it's festive season, so I love eating my typical African food. Yeah, guys. So I'll show you how I pack my food once it's cold. And that's maybe tomorrow morning. For now, let it cool down and we shall do it.